necessary skills that are required by the industry. So my question is, going forward, is there going to be a collaborative platform between university and government so that industry can have an input in the development of curriculum in universities, so that at the end of the day we can then try to align the curriculum with what the industry is requiring? Thank you.
Thank you very much. Next direction. I hope, Doc, we are taking note of that.
Thank you very much, Dr. Adue, for a nice presentation. My first is just suggestion. I was going through your draft policy, but maybe for readability, if you could make reference or have section numbering for every item so that we'll be able to refer to any of the items that you want to comment on. Then number two is basically on the objectives, your objectives that you have indicated. Remember, we should set smart objectives which are achievable, but I can see as an example you've given from 1.6% as a initial target to maybe 5%. I think that's too ambitious. I think if we can put to 3%, it will sound okay. Remember, we don't want the heads to roll after we fail to achieve those targets we claim to have set for ourselves. Then number two, you set as measures to carry as a way forward just after your policy or objectives. Remember, I want to contribute by saying, instead of having measures, let's have it as strategies. Because these are the strategies that you want to implement ZNIP. But now, remember, NDS 1 is coming to an end. Why can't we talk more of NDS 2, given that I had Mr. Ubaya indicating that the priorities have already been agreed on? Therefore, I understand that they now have the priorities. Why can't you align now your policy to the new priorities which are set in NDS 2? Otherwise, we are going to have mismatch. Then, almost lastly, you refer to the policy that you are relying on, the commercial industrialization strategy that will speak to ZNIP 2. But this is coming to an end in 2026, yet your policy is starting 2026 to 2030. So let's remove that for now, because it will be now a water under the bridge. And almost there, sorry for that. Skill availability, I think that has been addressed. I am from University of Manica State University of